Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed industries, including cybersecurity. Let's explore its dual role in both defending and attacking. AI enables attackers to craft highly personalized phishing emails by analyzing data from online sources. AI can create adaptable malware that evolves to avoid detection, using machine learning for polymorphic changes. AI automates large-scale cyber attacks, like DDoS, with bots identifying vulnerabilities and launching coordinated attacks. Attackers use AI for deepfake videos and voice recordings, impersonating individuals to facilitate fraud. AI assists attackers in scanning networks for vulnerabilities, enabling faster and more targeted data breaches. AI analyzes network traffic in real time, detecting anomalies that could indicate a cyber attack. AI monitors user behavior to identify unusual activities like unauthorized logins, minimizing insider threats. AI automates responses to threats, isolating affected systems and blocking malicious IPs before spreading occurs. AI uses historical data to predict future attacks, helping organizations prepare for emerging threats. AI-powered NLP tools monitor communications to identify phishing attempts, reducing human error exposure. AI's capabilities present a moral gray area as it can be used for both defense and offense. Balancing innovation and regulation is crucial. AI systems can inherit biases from training data, leading to unfair threat assessments. Ensuring ethical AI is essential. Global regulations struggle to keep pace with AI advancements. Coordinated efforts are needed to address its misuse in cyber attacks. AI will complement human expertise. Analysts focus on strategy while AI handles data analysis efficiently. Future AI will leverage quantum computing and advanced ML models to enhance capabilities in predicting threats. As defenders improve AI tools, attackers will innovate as well, perpetuating an ongoing cat-and-mouse game. AI's role in cybersecurity is promising yet perilous. Organizations must adopt AI responsibly to create a safer digital landscape.